So I finally finished up both GT18s. The 1979 GT18 single cylinder that has been repowered with a 8 horsepower Briggs, and the 78 GT18 with an original 18 horsepower Onan. I can fire this one up because this one has a fresh battery in it. It's not 100% running perfect, but it's as good as that one's ever gotten. This one here I'd start up for you, but the battery is completely dead on it. In fact, it doesn't even do anything. I could pull start it, but this one has an electric fuel pump on it. And without that battery having charge, the fuel pump really doesn't do anything. So this one is basically the same tractor, just different engine and different hood. This is definitely the nicer out of the two, because that one, the hood was completely folded in half. You can see it, I mean, it's definitely not perfect, but I mean, it is what it is. These tractors were pretty rough. Yeah, I mean, try to get the best lighting. Here we go. You can see all these dents on it. I mean, it's definitely not perfect. And this one here has a little dent right there, but I mean, it's kind of whatever. These tractors were never perfect in the beginning, and I mean, it would be almost impossible to make something absolutely 100% perfect, especially the tractors I buy that are all junk. Both dashes came out good. Both steering wheels are pretty nice. I really like these tractors. So yeah, here are some pictures and some video clips that I made of the two tractors. And yeah, thanks for watching.